This is Tilt-It. It's a small sensor that can detect motion. Once you place it inside a product, it can detect customer interactions. Once you know how customers interact with your product, you can understand their behavior and deliver product-specific information and services. Using Tilt-It, you can show relevant product information on a nearby screen at the right time to convert an exploration into a purchase. See how customers interact with products and experiment with different product placement strategies. Alert sales staff to engage with the customers at the right time or manage staff based on popular hours. Understand how product engagement compare with sales. The journey from a visitor to customer is a long one. Stop the guesswork and use Tilt-It to create a great customer experience and get the most out of your retail space.